We are in Atlanta.
Yep.
Headed to Seattle.
Headed to Seattle. For what? You will see later.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Oh, don't forget to subscribe.
Like.
And share.
And comment.
Ring the bell. All right.
See you in Seattle.
See you in Seattle.
If you hear something, you will forget it.
Good afternoon or evening, RV Adventure Explorer.
We're going on an adventure.
Yep, we are here at Carolina Pines.
We are Juan and Jennifer, the RV Adventures Explorer.
Hey guys, we here at Columbia Center Tower.
Well, now you're gonna put me in this video? Hey y'all.
Hey y'all, and we here at what, the Skyview
at
Observatory.
Columbia Center.
Yep, we here with our friends, family. Yes.
What was the name of your channel?
Oh, yes. And we are living our blessed life. I'm Gary, and this is
Karen.
Sweetie. Yeah.
Yeah.
With the IE.
Right.
So when we get up there, we're gonna show you the view. All right. If you're in Seattle, hey, check this out.
He always says it about himself.
He's good. We are up there. Look at that traffic making dizzy. Oh, look at that. You can see the bridges.
From here. Look.
And look, the plane is really close to Mount Rainier as far as height.
Yes. Look at the beautiful mountains.
We missed those mountains.
I do miss the mountains.
I want to experience. I'll take pictures.
Yes.
I want to experience.
And then we can have a table. We can sit at a table.
Exactly. That's what I'm talking about.
All the way up.
Now this is it, isn't it?
No, she said 5 minutes. Then she'll come back and get you. Get us. Please took you me. And that's why he said it's not a clear
Actually, that's it. No, is that the airport? No. No, the airport is right over there.
Yeah, cause see that plane? He's going in the land.
shipyard.
Also, our ship is over this way, where it will come in.
Oh, that's the baseball. All right, baseball, football.
All right.
Matter of fact, y'all should have. They should have a basketball.
And then we redeem these. This is the only place we go. This is the place. This is the 90 minute. There's no going up more. This is it. This is the sign.
Yeah, all right.
Look at the Ferris wheel.
Yeah. Look at that. This was a good idea because look at the Space Needle. You probably can't see it in the video, but we are higher than the Space Needle.
I have a picture you'll be able to add in there. This is amazing of you.
I know views. You see the view. You see the snow-capped mountain right there.
That little thing right there.
See, and that's what the guy was around. No, right there, yeah. And that's what he was trying to tell me to tell Tanya, don't spend your money because this is higher than the space. Look, sweetie, your house at the top. Sweetie said we misunderstood. We can go each level.
This is the reserve for 90 minutes, so this is the table. I thought she said that you can stay up here as long as you want, and she comes back every 5 minutes to take you back down. But and then we redeem our stuff over here.
Okay, where the
I mean, you can have
the menu.
Ask her, ask them is there a higher floor?
Oh, here's your code for the menu. We should put these together.
What, these?
These tables.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, the Space Needle. There it is. The entrance to Chihuly. Yep. So this is our next adventure.
Oh, there's another one over there.
All right.
Yeah, you're gonna have to, I'm curious a little while, so you can- You want me to take the bag? You just let me know.
Yeah.
Do a little rotation around the sun. There is a hot tub, so we'll be starting at 5. Otherwise, we have to take questions. Is the weather nice?
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna go take a ride.
Life is not a burden. Tell them it's a journey. I tried if you're not careful. You play this world and lose the soul you have. Here is knowledge that goes in the world. What take care of, you never know what you got till you lose what you got. It's not a burden. No, no, no. It is a trial if you're not careful. You play this world and lose the soul you have. Here is knowledge that goes in the world. What take care of, you never know what you got till you lose what you got. Walls cannot help.